affiliatemarketingtraining.com. Today's topic is about creating a favicon or a fav icon for a blog site, which is my brucestuarttraining.com site, the one I use to train myself on different skills that I need to know and do for my other sites. So first we're going to use dynamicdrive.com as our fav icon site for creating our fav icon or favorite icon. Capture an image with snagit to use, resize it with view to 32 by 32, upload it to Dynamic Drive to create the ICO file, download it from Dynamic Drive, upload it to a website via FTP software FileZilla, check to see if it works in the URL here, and number 8, all done. Okie doke, so a favorite icon is these little things up here on here, Dynamic Drive and that sort of thing. So we can just have a look at free affiliate marketing training, and it has an icon there, and Dynamic Drive's the same, it has an icon there, and that's what we're creating for this particular site here. So let's go to step 1, and is use the tool or capture the image with snagit. So we're going to bring an image over, a file over that's got an image in it, which is this one here, and I'm going to bring in snagit to capture it. This is snagit from TechSmith. It's just a paid piece of software, about $50 I think, or something like that. I've had it for a couple of years now. Now we click on there to capture, and we go down here, and I'm going to use this one here, so I just tighten it up a bit here and bring that up like so, and what I have down is my left finger down holding the mouse, and I'll let it go, and that, as I'm working on 2 screens, I'll bring it over so you can see it. And there it is there in our software, and now I'm just going to save it, save as, and we'll save it to website, which is Bruce1. Where are you going? There you are. And we'll stick it in the image folder, and I'll just put on the front here fav icon and the date, and let's save it like that, and we delete that and close that off now, and we can push that away as well. And now we're going to resize it with view. It's a piece of resizing software we can use. This is a free one, view, so we can buy view from there at this particular site. And what I'll do is open up, because it's in another screen, and I'll just bring it across to here and make it full size, and then we go to File, Open. Now we've got to navigate to our site where we were. We're under websites, so we're under B for Bruce Stewart Training, and Images, and we're going to add Favicon, and we use that to click on it, and it goes down into this file here, and we open, and there it is there. We go up to images here, this image button here, and we click on it, and we're going to resize. So we resize, and the size was 32 by 32. So it's on pixels, which is there. Set new size, which is that radio button. Now 32 by 32, and we just press OK, and it changes. So we just put that away, and what do we do now? It's resized to that. We will bring it back again because we've got to save it. See, can't miss a step. Save as, and it's fav icon there at that particular date, and I'll just put my cursor in there, and I'll do 32 by 32, and we'll just delete all this part here, and it'll sit in there. No, it won't. We'll save it in the proper file. Got to watch what we're doing. And images, and we're going into there, our file there, and save. Now we can put it away. So it's saved. Now upload it to create an ICO file. So we open here. My setup was wrong, so let's take that for now, and we open. That's already sitting up there waiting. So we go into this Dynamic Drive. It's a thing that there's an icon there, and there's a bit of instructions here about what it is and everything like that. So it says browse here to find the file. So we go into my E drive and web sites, and it's Bruce Stewart Training, and we're in images, and this one here, the 32 by 32, open it, OK, create, and tick that, and create icon. That's what it looks like here, and here. We go down here and it says download, so we just press download, and it's downloading. open or save the file. So I'll save it, and it's all finished downloading, it says. Now we've got to find it. This particular way might be able to do it. And here it is there. We went to downloads in our computer, and we can know where it is. And what I'll do is take it out of there. I'll just copy it, then we'll go back to our other stuff there, so we've got to do it through this way. We'll go to our website just to be right. We can put it under Bruce, and we can put it in here, and we just paste it into there, and there it is there. So now we go, what's our next? Download it, upload it, FileZilla. So I'll open up FileZilla, which is on the other screen, and it's open already, but we'll just crank it up. Just got to redo it. I'll do it again, make it fuller. Now we're open. I go over to the websites and find my websites under public HTML there, and I'll go back to this side which is on my computer and find Bruce under the B's. Here we go. And I'll open that up, and it should be under images. There's the image folder on my computer. So there it is there, and I can always find it by last modified. It brings it up there, and I go to site itself, and there's the site Bruce Stewart there, so I click on that, and that brings the site up and everything. So I just grab hold of it, left click, and drag it across and stick it in there like so. I'll just push OK. Now it should be in here, the ICO file. Yes, right, I should be able to put that away, all things equal and going well. Our next trick is to check it under that URL, which is brucestewarttraining.com/Favicon. I'll just bring that FileZilla back again just so you know. So we're under Bruce Stewart Training, and they've just got to get the path right, just make sure, and it's Favicon. Favicon.ico. So go back, and that path looks right, so we just scroll that and copy it, and we go to our browser, which is here in google.com. So we'll put M in there and press enter, and it hasn't got there yet. And sometimes it takes a little while to come through. So we'll go back to our site, which is this one here, and we'll do an F5 to reboot it up, and we've got no icon as yet. F5 for that. Maybe it's too soon. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to come through. Like we could go to sleep, still hasn't come through, but it should end up like this one here with that up there. Okay, so we might wait a little bit and see how we get on. Okay, let's have a look here. We've uploaded and generated the file to your site. Now we've checked it to see if it's come through, and that and it hasn't just yet because we're still waiting for it. And we got to insert the below code in the head section of your pages, at the very least your site's main index page. Note that your icon may not appear immediately after you completed the above two steps. In fact, it may take a few days. And Internet Explorer, which I don't use, sometimes the icon will disappear from time to time due to a browser bug. So what we'll do is we have copied that, Control copy. Now we've already done that, I have anyway. We go into, of course this theme is Flex Squeeze. It's different to some other themes. My other sites that I've done this on, I didn't have to put that code in. So I've gone down and scroll down. I'm sorry, let's go back again. We're in the editing, see that highlighted there? We're in the editing section, in the editor section. So we scroll down, we got to find index PHP, main index 10, and I found that down here further, which you just keep looking, main index template, and click it and it opens up, and I scroll down towards the bottom because it's way up here, and I scrolled it down towards the bottom, and just below the last div tag, which is this section here, that last div tag, that in there, I pasted that code, which was from here to here. Then I updated it, which like this, so I can do it again, and we can check the site and do an F5, just make sure that we're doing that right, and see if it's coming up now. And if it doesn't, I'll show it to you on a Chrome browser, my other browser, and it still hasn't come through yet. So I'll just bring over this one, which I've had a look at just before, and in the Chrome browser, which is brucestewarttraining.com, we have favorite icon in there, rightio, like these ones here. Now they can be an image, or they can be similar to that, or just two words or anything like that. So we'll go back to that. exercise with our Favicon, installing one of them. So we'll catch you later again in another video sometime soon. Bye for now.